Yes, you can paint baseboards without removing carpet by carefully protecting the carpet and controlling paint application to get a clean edge. Start by vacuuming and trimming any loose carpet fibers along the baseboard seam so fibers do not stick to wet paint. Use a high-quality painter's tape and press it firmly against the baseboard where it meets the carpet to seal the gap, or use a thin paper barrier method where a strip of kraft paper is slid under the baseboard edge and taped to the wall to shield the carpet pile. Tuck any exposed fibers back under the tape or paper with a plastic putty knife so they do not get coated. Choose a high-quality acrylic latex trim paint with good hide and low splatter, and use a small angled sash brush for precision, loading the brush lightly and painting in short strokes away from the carpet edge. Work in small sections and wipe the brush edge on a rag before each pass to avoid excess paint buildup that can drip onto the carpet. Remove tape or paper while the paint is still slightly tacky to avoid pulling dried paint off the trim, and do touch-ups with a tiny brush after the tape is removed. Common mistakes include leaving loose carpet fibers exposed which get paint on them, so always trim and tuck fibers before taping. Another issue is overloading the brush and allowing drips to fall onto the carpet, so control paint load and use short controlled strokes. A final concern is removing tape too late, which can lift dried paint. Pull tape back on itself at a 45-degree angle while paint is still slightly tacky to keep the line crisp. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors connect with local work opportunities. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we share tips and experiences about projects like painting baseboards without removing carpet, and we encourage you to join the conversation.